Hey guys, Chicky to Maine, aka Dabu.com with a video surf forecast update. This forecast update brought to you by Nosara Paradise Rentals. Planning your next trip to Costa Rica? Stay with Nosara Paradise Rentals, Nosara, Costa Rica. Remember, there's no sorrow when you stay in Nosara, NosaraParadiseRentals.com. We continue monitoring this morning a tropical wave now that is just east of Puerto Rico that's moving its way towards the island of Hispaniola, forecast to be in this area within the next 24 to 48 hours. Seas are going to be building 8 to 10 feet on the northern extension of the tropical wave, and we could see some fun surf alert conditions from central Florida to northeast Florida Tuesday into Wednesday as a little long period southeast groundswell looks to develop. Don't hold us to it yet. We need to actually start monitoring the buoys and watching the satellite imagery, but it looks like this tropical wave is enhancing a southeast wind fetch through here. So that's what we're monitoring at the moment. As we look at the latest swell forecast, you can see on Monday, just north of Hispaniola, a little 9 to 10 second swell period developing in here, east, southeast. And we get into Tuesday, this kind of spreads out a little bit. Probably will be smaller towards the Georgia, South Carolina coast, but it looks like largest conditions will be from central Florida into northeast Florida. Jumping you over now to the infrared satellite imagery, we can see convection is starting to come back to life in here. There is no real cyclonic flow in here yet. Wind shear remains high at about 30 to 40 knots. However, as we get in closer to the Bahamas, wind shear is about 20 knots. So this is something we're going to be monitoring pretty closely here the next 24 to 48 hours. And if we can get some convection to fire up in here, it's possible that we could see some fun surf alert conditions come Tuesday into Wednesday. So stay tuned in on that. Give you some motion in here now, and as you can see, in the latest rainbow loop, we do have some convection starting to fire back up now, just north of Hispaniola. The moisture content is also starting to increase south of Hispaniola. Again, wind shear remains high, so nothing tropical expected to develop here, but we are watching for an increase in a southeast wind fetch, so we'll be monitoring the buoys. When we go over here to the water vapor imagery, you can see that the moisture content is increasing south of Hispaniola, and it looks like wind shear is starting to relax just a little bit, which is allowing the thunderstorms to start to develop in here. So if we can see some increased convection in here today, again, just pointing you back that we could see some fun surf alert conditions coming in here Tuesday through Wednesday, central Florida to northeast Florida.